Hello again, and now we're going to look at the femur with drawings. My guy is still clipped up, I see, but I had to get him out of the way of the femur. Okay, so here is the femur in anterior view, and in anterior view then we're going to be able to see the head, we'll be able to see the neck, and we'll be able to see, in green, I put the greater trochanter and the lesser trochanter. Okay, and as we come down the shaft, then we're coming down to the distal end, and really I'd rather show you that on the other side. We look at the posterior view. It's going to be better to look at it there. So there again, you have the head. Do that one in purple. So you have the head here and the neck, greater trochanter, lesser trochanter. And something else that you'd see there is the linea aspera. So the linea aspera is something like, goes down quite a ways. So that rough area, let's write that in, linea aspera, is that roughened area that's going to bring muscles over that joint and attach it onto the femur. Okay? All right, now let's keep going down distally until we get to this posterior region. And remember that when it's part of the actual joint, it's a condyle. Okay? So condyle in green and condyle. So given that this is where this is coming into the hip and I'm seeing it posteriorly, so let's get it on hand. It's posteriorly, and I'm looking at the back here, and it's like this, then I'm talking about the left femur, correct? So if I'm talking about this, then this region here, this is going to be the lateral condyle. And this is going to be medial condyle. Okay, now what we want to know is where is the epicondyle. So I'm going to do that in a separate color. It's everything that's not actually part of that condyle. So in purple, I'm just going to fit in a little bit here in the outline of this and on the outskirts of this that are not actually part of that. And then that is going to be an epicondyle. And lateral and medial epicondyles. And that is what I wanted to show you on the femur. Great. Thanks for joining. Bye, guys.